Before starting this video, I request you to press the red subscribe button, press the bell icon under the options menu, select all so that you won't miss any notifications from my channel. Welcome again to part 2 of neck design. Let's get started. Before starting, I want to show you that the outer stitches and the square motif which is shown have already been mentioned in my previous video, and this triangle is the same as shown earlier. You can also fix the mirrors in the circle space. Let's get started. Here I am using 3 strands of thread for this embroidery. As you can see, I have marked the center points. Just adjacent to the center point we will start doing this motif. Observe the thread movement. This is a very easy and simple motif. While doing this step, you should try to join with the previous one so that it forms like a grid. There should not be a spacing in between them. As you can see, I am just pricking the needle adjacent to the point. At this point, we have to turn the thread downwards. As you can see, thread is down. In earlier steps, it was upward. If you have practiced it, you can easily do it without tracing, but initially you should trace the motif. As you can see, where the outline has been finished, from that point I will start doing the filling. If you follow the instructions stepwise, you won't get any difficulty in doing this. First we will move thread towards the 3 clusters downwards, and then will move upward. Now the second one, and this is the third one. Follow the same sequence, you will never go wrong. Now completing the, and you will notice that it will finish at the same point from where we have started. One up and one down rule has to be followed while filling. One thread has to be up and one has to be down. Now first part has been completed. Again starting it. Now we will start the filling part from the same point where we have ended the outlining. For this neckline I have used single color thread. You can also do the all four parts with multicolors. It also looks very beautiful. If you like my videos, please share them, subscribe to my channel. So that you won't miss any upcoming videos of mine. Now you can see it. We have almost completed the filling part. In the same manner, we have to make from other sides also, and this will complete the motif. Now showing you how to fix the mirror in this way. In my previous video of mirror fixing, there is a different technique. You can also refer to that. In this method, we have to cover the mirror with threads all around so that it is fixed properly. Just cover it randomly with thread. You should do this tightly. After covering it all around, take a pencil and draw an outer circle over it. This will help us giving the round shape. Now from that outer circle we will do the fly stitch. See the needle direction. We don't have to prick the needle straightwards. It should slightly slanting. While doing this stitch, we have to stretch the thread so that threads come outwards and mirror is visible. Only 2 stitches are required, one on the fabric and another above the mirror. I hope you will find this tutorial helpful. Please share your thoughts in comment section so that it helps me to improve my channel. This way we have to make stitches all over the line, circle we have drawn. This way we will cover the whole one. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you.